today I have another unboxing for you guys, and today I purchased an HP Pavilion PC. It's a gaming PC. I needed to upgrade my current computer, so I'm just going to show you how it comes. First of all, the packaging is quite heavy, and so that is it. It says HP Pavilion on the top, and on the side it gives you the HP Pavilion, and on the other side it just the same thing, and you know, the receiver postal marks and stuff like that. So let's get in and let's see what comes in the box. So guys, as with most of the computers, whenever you buy them new, they do come with a keyboard and a mouse. So I'm assuming that that's the keyboard. Very well packaged. Oh, that is brilliant. The first thing is, this is lovely. You see guys, the keyboard is green in color. That is awesome. And it has a green cable as well. The cable is non-braided, so it's quite smooth, and it's got a USB port. So that is the keyboard, which is awesome. Looks very very beautiful. So green keyboard, HP logo on the back, right, and we have a green mouse as well. So that is very interesting. Same type of cable, non-braided, plasticky, but looks very nice. Yeah, so that is the keyboard and that is the mouse. And then this is the PC. So just before I pull up the PC, I'm just gonna see what else is in the box. So we have the power cable over here. We have some documentation, and we have the PC. So I am just going to take out the PC. So yeah guys, this is the PC, right? And let me just move it a little bit back, show you HP logo over here. This light, I heard that it turns green. You have a headphone jack, your power button, two USB ports, and then one USB-C port, SD card reader, and you have your CD drive, or yeah, your DVD writer. So on the back, yes, on the back you have so that's one of the fans, and then there's this other fan, and I'm going to put the specs for you. I'm going to tell you what the specs are, but yes, it comes with a lot of USB drives. So that's the graphic card inside it, and it comes with the NVIDIA GTX, I think so, 1060. So this is the latest Intel i3, but I ordered the 8th generation, so which is fine for me to do my day-to-day work. So let's actually open it up and see what's inside. So guys, very simple. All you have to do is you just have to literally unscrew this bit over here, and here we go guys, inside. Let's have a look what inside it looks like. So we have the graphic card. On one end you have a very heavy power supply, because obviously it needs a very heavy power supply, 500 watts or maybe 400 watts power supply. That's the NVIDIA graphic card in red, fixed to the PCI slot. It's got 8 GB RAM. RAM is on the other side, and you have the ability to stick more hard drives in this sort of area if you look carefully. But rest, but it looks like a pretty beast of a machine. So guys, here are the basically that is the area where you can insert a new hard drive, and it tells you over here A and B. So these are the different screws for fixing a new hard drive. In general, I think this computer is really a beast of a machine. So I'm just gonna do the benchmark and see how it is. Okay guys, what I've done is I've done a benchmark through Novabench.
It's this website, you can have a look at it, and it's really legit for forming any sort of benchmark if you want to do that. So previously I had an older computer which was an AMD computer, and then I got a Intel Core i3 which scored 1532. So the computer today in question is the Intel Core i3 8100, and the score of 1532. Now just to give you a perspective of this score, which is 1532, if you were to go over here and the user scores, the highest user score we have over here is 5961. So according to that, 1532 is very low, but in terms of functionality it does a pretty good job, even if you're playing games or you're using Photoshop, or even if you're doing your video editing or rendering stuff. So in terms of your top CPUs, you have a 2758 score, whereas my CPU has scored a score of 561, which is quarter the score of the top score, which is not bad. I mean, these processors are really the top end processors. If you look over here, it says Intel Core i9, and that's the 7th generation and so on. So it means that it's not bad if, you know, your home gaming PC pre-built from HP can give you that sort of score, and this is a 8th generation i3. In terms of the GPU scores, we've got 648, and the highest GPU score over here in Novabench is benchmark web page. It's 1069, which is roughly half the score what my computer has achieved, which is not bad again. So I personally think that the PC which I purchased, it's pretty good. It's got this direct 3D 1181 FPS, and it's got a lot of other information which is quite helpful. And I did all these benchmarks before I purchased this PC on a friend's computer, and I really found out that this would be the best choice if I would want to buy a computer in a mid-market range price. So guys, so this was my quick unboxing and the benchmark of the computer which I purchased. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section below and I'll reply back to you. Catch you in my next video, and bye for now, guys.